Hi, in this video we are going to share about our integrated design project, which is Fingerprint IoT based door lock system. The problem with conventional door lock is it has a very weak security. Any unauthorized user can break in by duplicating the key. It also doesn't have monitoring system, such as real-time notification to alert the administrator. Though there are a lot of fingerprint security in the market, the cost is very high. So, the objectives of this project is to develop a fingerprint security door lock system, adding push notification features, and implement IoT in the system. The main components that we use in this project is Arduino Uno as the main controller and Node MCU ESP8266 as Wi-Fi module. For the door lock system, we are using fingerprint scanner as the input sensor, relay module, and solenoid lock. In this project, we use freezing software to design the circuit. It is an open source software. It has a drag and drop features with 2D modeling aid. Makes it easier to use for the hardware assembly. Designing in freezing also much more easier as it generates the schematic diagram right after we design the 2D models. For the IoT implementation, we use Blink apps. It is a free software available on App Store and Play Store. It is user-friendly with the drag and drop features, and it is very reliable. This is how you set up a new project in Blink apps. Firstly, download and run the app. On the home screen, click on New Project. Type in the name of your project, device used, and connection type. An authentication token will be sent to your email as an address to connect your hardware to the software. Next, go to the widget box. There are a lot of widgets that can be used. In this project, we are using notification as alert system and push button. And this is the final look after the whole assembly and programming is done. There are a lot of improvements that can be implemented in this project, such as using IR sensor to detect the movement of the person walk past through the door as a safety feature. We can also add monitoring system to record the data of people go in and out of the door. Camera sensor can be used to capture the image of the person unlocking the door or trying to unlock the door. Finally, magnetic lock can replace solenoid lock as solenoid lock tend to heat up very fast, and magnetic lock is more secure.